Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Enhancing Patient Healthcare Monitoring System using IoT and Data Analysis, the temperature sensor and the chart. Okay, and go to patient data. So ECG and go to ECG chart. Okay, then go to data. Then here is the fault detection, and we can see the temperature, ECG, fault detection, and date and time. And go to main screen. Okay, date and time. Go to main screen. So let us coming into the block diagram. So here we are using 80 mega 2560 board and power supply 5 volts power supply board, and we are using total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 sensors. LM35 temperature sensor, body temperature sensor connected to the ADC 0, ADXL 335 fault detection sensor connected with ADC 8 and ADC 9, ECG connected to the ADC 3, and those are 4 flux sensor connected with the ADC 4 5 6 7, and the GPRS modem SIM800C connected with the RX-TX connected to the serial communication 3, 16x2 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4 D5 D6 D7 2 3 4 5 6 7, and there is a voice module APR33A3 voice recorded and playback IC, 8 ohm speaker. Those are connected with 8 9 10 11 12 13 GPIO pin numbers. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source using with 1 ampere adapter power source. So that's connected to the power supply board and as well as the GSM module. So here we are using GSM SIM 800C. So GPRS modem, you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. So if you press, the SIM card will come outside. If you press, the SIM card will go. Okay, press it, it will come outside, and press it, it will go inside. GSM GPRS modem SIM 800C module we are using, and here same that 9 volts goes to power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED, one power supply for the sensors and another power supply for the Arduino and the APR33A3 voice recorded and playback IC. So here we are using 80 mega 2560 board and 16x2 LCD display connected with the RS enabled D4 D5 D6 D7 2 3 4 5 6 7, and APR33A3 voice recorded and playback IC connected with the 8 9 10 11 12 12. So this is 8 ohm speaker, and here we are using one fault detection sensor. Okay, so there should be EC connected to your body, and LM35 temperature sensor, and there are 4 flux sensor 1 2 3 4. Okay, so depend upon pressing the flux sensor we will get the voice output, and we will get the SMS alert also. Okay, so like this we will get the SMS alert. So now I am going to start the power supply. Enhancing patient health monitoring through integration VitaCare-IoT, GSM testing, connector, echo, finding network, test message, and there is a app is also there, Android app. Open it, then it will come Android app, GPRS main, GPRS came, HTTP1, HTTP2. So the cut should be always outside. Okay, so GSM, once I will go for the one by one. Now I am going to increase the temperature first. GPRS sending, send completed, send completed, sending. Okay, the temperature is changed. If you open it, and it will show you the bar graph. Okay, back. Okay, sending SMS alert. First one is the student number, second one is me for testing purpose. Sending SMS to over temperature alert also came. Okay, so now I am going for the fault detection. you can make it as a like you can like twist the board also. Fall detection, the front fallen. So there should be front, back, left, right. There should be 4 directions. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Fall is yes. So here also temperature goes 33. Fall is yes. Okay. So ECG chart came. Okay. Yeah. Front fallen. Sending SMS alert. Okay. Yeah. Front fallen. So now I'm going to bend the fingers. Okay, now I'm going to bend first finger. Okay, don't press again and again, it will damage. Okay, for testing purpose repairs. Okay, after 10 counts completed, it will send the data. It is in the loop only, that's why. Okay, now it will update whatever the previous. There is no fall detection and the normal temperature. Okay. Okay, water. Okay, yeah, I got the SMS alert. Water, I need water. So now I'm going to bend second finger. Food. 2, one is me and another one is the student number. First student number, second one is my mobile number. Yeah, SMS came. I need food. Okay, I need food. So now I'm going to bend third finger. Fresh air. Okay, so now I'm going to, yeah, we will get the SMS alert first. Yeah, fresh air. Okay, yeah, I want fresh air. Okay, now I'm going to bend little finger. Washroom. Okay, now I'm going to increase the temperature. Yeah, washroom came. Okay, temperature 44, 40 and above, SMS alert. 46 came. Okay, 46 came. Previously it is 28. Now it will update. Okay, it is updated. Okay, image also updated. Sending. Okay. Okay, sending SMS alert. 2 mobile numbers, one for me, other one is the student number. And this is Android app, which is created web based Android app. Okay, SMS alert. Okay, temperature. Now I'm going to bend the like fallen. Okay, every 10 counts it will send the data to server. Okay, so normally it will after every 10 counts, after 20 counts, it will automatically send the data to server. So normal temperature and there is no fall detection. So now I'm going to bend the fall, right fallen. Okay, otherwise you can bend it also like this. Normal finger, left fallen. Okay, send completed. Left, right, back, front. Okay, fall is yes. Okay, fall is yes. We will get the SMS alert. Left fallen, SMS alert also will come. Left fallen. If you go for right fallen, better bend the kit. Yeah, right fallen. GPRS sending. Send completed. Back means like this is back side. Okay, send. Okay, right fallen. So left fallen, front fallen, temperature alert, and there should SMS alert also came. Okay, so now 1 and 2 at a time bending. 1 and 2 help, help, help. Okay, SMS alert, please help me. So flux 1, flux 2, flux 3, flux 4, and SMS alert, and Android app. Okay, power supply board, GPRS modem, and 16x2 LCD display, Adreno Mega 2.60 board, APR 33A3 voice recorded and playback IC, ADXL 335 accelerometer sensor, and ECG module, and the Android app, and we are getting the data within the graph bar. Okay, and chart. Okay, and this is date and time, 4:19, time 4:19. This is our block diagram of the project. This is hardware kit.